Hey guys, so today's video is on something that I myself need to, figure out because of the fact that I have two mascaras, both high-end, that I love so much and I just don't know which one is better. By the time the two mascaras I'm talking about are the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I always used nonstop. But now nonstop I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang and I just don't know which one to choose. So today we're gonna put these two to the test and I can tell you how each one wears and the pros and cons because I've been wearing these two a lot. I usually don't wear false lashes. I just go mascara and go because false lashes irritate my eyes. I have bad allergies and I kind of suck at putting them on sometimes. Most of the time, like 90% of the time. So let's get into this video, but first you better subscribe. Subscribe right now. You don't have to leave this video. It takes like not even 2 seconds and it's free. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is MakeupByMicaylah and I do giveaways and everything on there. So let's just get into this video because I'm wondering which one's gonna be better. So first we're just gonna have a little overview of each one before we put it on our face. Well, on my eyelashes with my naked face. But I feel like if I have no makeup on, you can really see like the mascara, so that's why I do mascara swatches with no makeup on. So I'm going off of Sephora's website because most people buy high-end makeup from Sephora. So why not just, get a ratings and stuff off of Sephora. First of all, this is $24 and they have a smaller one for $12. On Sephora, the ratings are a 3.5 star, maybe a 3.4, which is not pretty good. I will read some reviews off and it has 571 reviews. The details of this mascara: Benefit states that it's a 36-hour full blast volumizing mascara that creates massive volume without weighing down the lashes. Some of the reviews said, this one's a 5-star. Oh my god, my lashes never looked so good in my life. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Made my lashes so long and voluminous. I'm in love. You need this. Another 5-star. Here's a 3-star review. It says, my actual rating for this mascara is a 3.5 star. This mascara hasn't been easy for me to use. I really like it for its potent black color. And staying power is awesome. It lasts all day without smudging and flaking. It is indeed difficult to remove, which I agree with that. I'll get into that in a second. It is difficult to remove, and I can put up with that. That really doesn't bother me. My issue is the product is the wand. It's so flimsy and does little to separate my eyelashes, which I can agree. The formula being so wet, it makes my lashes so clumpy. I can agree. I know how to fix that. I just use a dry eyelash wand. The Rocket mascara, I use that and it declumps my lashes. Okay, so that's the details of the Benefit Bad Gal, and let's do the details of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is not a new tube. And this is pretty new, but it just came out, so this is not a new tube. It's about a month old, I believe, and it is $23 at Sephora. It is about a 3.8 stars, so that's better than the Benefit Bad Gal. I can't really find any bad reviews without like investigating it, but it does come in the standard size, but the mini is $12. And the details of this mascara is an intensely black volumizing mascara with an hourglass shaped brush that separates, coats, curls lashes to voluptuous perfection. I cannot say voluptuous, blah blah blah, voluptuous. Don't make fun of me, guys. I worked 10.5 hours today. I am tired and I just wanted to film, to be honest. So I'll get into what I have wrong with this mascara in a second. But let's just go ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see a close-up of what's happening. Okay, so I'm not going to get too close because I look a mess. Okay, so the first one we're going to try is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I love this packaging. It's so good. I wish Benefit would make some eyeshadows, to be honest, like some bomb eyeshadow palettes. Maybe set. Okay, so I'm just gonna, take the wand and do my lashes. I look down when I do my mascara and I start at the roots. My eyelashes remind me of the wispy clusters from Ardell, to be honest, because they I don't know, I hate how I love my eyelashes, but I hate how they cluster. These are my lashes with the Bad Gal Bang mascara, and yeah, see the volume, you see the length. They're very, it doesn't feel like I have anything on my eyelashes. Like this is very lightweight, and I really like that. I do think, however, the bristles should have been just a tiny bit longer so you can really separate the lashes, because my lashes tend to stick together because they're like cluster wispy lashes. Like that's kind of, you know, the style. There's a style of lashes that I like. It's called cluster wispies. Look that up, and that's how my eyelashes are. Like I swear my eyelashes are just like that. But yeah, basically that is my eyelashes when I look up, when I look down. Yeah, so this is a really good mascara. I really like it, but let's see what Too Faced has in store, because I never put these up against each other, and I haven't touched this one in forever. I really like the wand of this. Like, it really grabs on. The wand is so good. It really grabs on to the lashes. And let's just do what I did before. Okay, so here is the Too Faced mascara on this eye. And I really like this mascara because I feel like it really gives a hairy type of look to my eyelashes. Like, I noticed that this mascara, because it's kind of wet and this is a drier formula, I feel like this one is for like this one's for people who don't have clumpy lashes. Like if you're prone to clumping, I don't suggest this. But if you want length and don't care about the clumpiness, and you can like get one of those eyelash combs and brush your lashes out after you use this, I recommend this one. But if you like that feathery, wispy kind of just volume and like just like a sexy kind of eye with your mascara, I prefer this one. But with this one, I hate how messy my lower lashes get. Like my lower lashes always get so messy when I use this mascara, and yeah, that's the only downfall from this mascara. This mascara I don't like. I just don't like how you can't really separate your lashes like as you go. They just clump together and they're like clumped unless you have an eyelash comb. Like, I'll list one down below. I'll list an eyelash comb and these two products down below. But yeah, if you just want to get up and go, you want some wispy, I prefer the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, honestly. So let's see what they look like. I haven't even looked at my lashes or compared them, so let's see. They look pretty similar. They really, really look similar. But like I said, I like the feathery look. So I'm digging the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, honestly. Like really, 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 like, I am digging the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It looks more natural. Like, it looks more natural. Like this one, like, and I feel like this is more flexible. I can't feel this one on my eye, and I can't feel this one that much, but I can feel this one, but it's not uncomfortable. Like I said, this is one of my favorite mascaras, and I do recommend this if you're a mascara wearer. But any of these, both of these are really good, but I prefer this one. I'm not even gonna lie. I prefer Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. If you agree with me, give this video a thumbs up. So that is it for this video, and we chose Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. But I had a feeling that I was gonna like Better Than Sex better than Bad Gal. But that is it for this video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Be sure to leave a comment down below of what you want to see next, or let me know what mascaras or eyeliners or whatever you want to put up to the test next. And I will see you in my next video.